Hello there, welcome to Brain Boosters platform. My name is Mulundano. This video is meant for students writing NMCZ exams, and I understand tomorrow you have pediatrics. So this is Sunday when I'm recording this video. I understand tomorrow you are writing pediatrics, and I'm wishing you the best. I'm making this video because today I was supposed to have a live discussion with students on how to manage mental illnesses. However, I have realized that you are busy preparing for pediatrics tomorrow. So I have postponed this discussion to Wednesday evening because Thursday you're going to be writing mental health and psychiatry. I know you have studied enough. You have studied, you have done everything, but you need uh, you just need one more thing. Okay, you need one more thing. Wednesday evening I'll be giving you the key to passing mental health and psychiatry. This is something that I have never told my previous students. This is something that you may not have heard from your tutors, from your lecturers. With this idea, I can assure you that you are going to pass mental health and psychiatry unless NMCZ does not bring any question on managing a mental illness. If they bring any question on managing a mental illness, that will be a bonus question for you. I can assure you that. Okay? Wednesday evening, please make a date from 20 hours to 23 hours or 24. I'll be giving you the key. I'll be giving you ideas on how to handle any question on managing mental illness in psychiatry. Let me give you this idea first of all. Let me just give you a glimpse of what we are going to talk about. In mental health and psychiatry, all conditions are classified under two types. We have psychotic conditions, which are referred to as major disorders. We also have neurotic conditions, which are referred to as minor disorders. You need to understand which conditions are under psychosis and which conditions are neurotic. Okay? Once you understand that, and you understand how to manage psychotic conditions and how to manage neurotic conditions, then you are done with psychiatry. You are done with psychiatry. You don't need to learn this for 3 years. Okay. Wednesday evening, I'll give you the full guideline of how to handle any question in mental health and psychiatry. I've been teaching psychiatry from 2019 and I understand this course. I have come to understand this course. This course has become part of my blood. I understand this course, and please join me on Wednesday evening. The link to the WhatsApp group is attached in the description of this video. Please join me in the join this WhatsApp group for free. Okay, this presentation I'm talking about, we are going to have it through Google Meet. So those without Google Meet on your phones, if you always fail to access videos on Google Meet, please make sure that you have Google Meet on your phones so that you do not have a challenge on Wednesday evening. Be ready for mental health and psychiatry even as you prepare for pediatrics and these other courses that you're going to be writing. Mental health and psychiatry, you should not fail. Okay? So the price is 25 kwacha only, 25 kwacha only. That will help me to even get enough bundles for me to go live on Wednesday evening. Please, let's get ready for this exam. So once we discuss that, I'll give you scenarios. We are going to pass through some papers, look at some questions, and if you have any question on that day, if you have any difficult questions, please bring them forth so that we can answer them. We can we answer those questions, okay, so that you get ready for the exam on Thursday. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you or having this fruitful discussion with you on Wednesday.